meter, and rest, this you have to find.
Yes, ma'am. And the question they asked was, what is the length of each guy wire?
Okay, so for example, they are supporting it from here,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So you will find it like this. That's it.
Ma'am, but the thing here is I didn't get what guy wire is.
I think this is the wire which is basically supporting them. Or you can just share me this question. I need to read it properly.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So good evening, students. I hope everybody is fine today, right? So today
Yes,
what we
ma'am.
are going to start, we are going to start a new chapter, which is area and perimeter, right? So today, before starting, first of all, we will write few things like I'll tell you, right? So
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
have any doubts for the previous chapter?
No, ma'am.
Anyone? No? No, right? Okay.
No, yes, ma'am. No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So let's just start basically. So, in this chapter, what we need to do is we have so many things to take care of, right? We need to understand so many things. We need to find so many things. So, first of all, we will be making some notes in the class itself. And on the basis of that only, we will be like doing this entire chapter. Clear? You just need to
Yeah,
give
ma'am.
me a minute. I just need to find my word pad. Word. I hope everyone can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, can you see my screen? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so let's just start. So over here, first of all, the two things we are going to discuss about in this chapter is perimeter and area. Okay. So first of all, ma'am, what is this perimeter? For example, this is a house, not house, a plot. Okay. And this is also a plot, right? I gave you two tasks. Task number one says fence this wall. Okay. And task number two says grow grass, right? First is fencing and second is growing grass. Clear? So tell me, in fencing the wall, will you find the area or perimeter? And in growing the grass, will you find the area and the perimeter? Tell me.
Ma'am, I think so. In area, we will find fence this wall. In perimeter, I think we'll find roti grass.
Okay. What about Chakrika?
Ma'am, I think it's the opposite.
Okay. What about Abdullah?
Perimeter for fencing and growing area.
Okay. Vega?
Ma'am, I think what's in this told is correct.
Who is correct?
So in this,
Okay. So two for say the two one is saying that this is perimeter and two one is saying this is, so see, I'll tell you. For example, you have to grow the grass. You will grow grass.
Ma'am, I said fences wall is an area, right?
Yes, you said it. I like that. Two people. See, the answers are Abdullah and Chakrika said that area you will grow grass and perimeter you will fence. Okay. Sindhus and Vega said area you will fence and grow grass perimeter. Right. So this is what. So I'll tell you. So now I'll tell you the correct answer. Okay. So over here, for example, I have to fence the wall. How will I fence it? I'll fence it like this. Yes, fencing. The wiring. Yes. But
Yes,
in
ma'am.
case if I have to grow the grass, where I will grow the grass? Here. Yes or no? Students, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I
Yes.
got confused in the definition of perimeter and area.
Ah,
That's why I think I.
that's why. So perimeter, whenever I say perimeter, that means I'm talking about boundary. Clear? And whenever I'm talking about area, it is inside. Clear? I hope now
Okay.
nobody will be clear. Nobody will be getting confused, right? Perimeter is a lengthy line, right? Perimeter. So that means it's a boundary, and area is inside. Clear? So for fencing the wall, I will use perimeter, right? And for growing the grass, I'll use the area. I hope I have made myself clear. Yes?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can you repeat again?
See, for perimeter, what you need to do, perimeter is basically the boundary. So for fencing
Oh,
the
okay.
wall, that means you will find the perimeter, right? But area is basically inside area, inside
Okay,
space.
ma'am.
So for growing the grass, you will find the area. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let's just start. First of all, so perimeter, what is perimeter basically? It refers to length of the outline of the enclosed figure. For example, if it is triangle, this means its outline, boundary. If it is circle, this, right? And what is area? It refers to the surface of the enclosed figure, like inside surface of the enclosed figure. So perimeter is this, the boundary, right? And area is inside it. Clear? Everyone?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So you will quickly
Yes,
note it
ma'am.
down. You will put the chapter, area and perimeter and notes. And then you will write first perimeter, second area. You will draw it like this. And with this, you will highlight it. You will make a dark boundary like this. And you will mention this is perimeter. And this, you will shade this part and you will write this is area. Clear? Quickly note it up till here. And then we will discuss like for every figure, square, rectangle, triangle like this. Okay, I hope everybody is clear now. Perimeter and area. Abdullah, Chakrika, Sindhus, Vega, everyone is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So quickly note it up.
Done, ma'am.
None, ma'am.
Okay, everyone is done? Or anyone who is left?
Oh, done.
Ma'am, I think Chakrika and Abdullah are not done.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Yeah, Chakrika is done. Vega and
Okay, ma'am.
Abdullah, are you done?
Yes,
Vega
Ma'am,
is done.
Anyone who is not done?
I think Abdullah.
Abdullah, you are done?
No, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, okay, do it. Now everyone is done. Abdullah, you are also done now?
Ma'am, I was finished.
Sorry.
Ma'am, I was finished.
You are doing it, Abdullah, or you are done? I can't hear you
No, ma'am,
properly.
I'm done.
I'm done. Okay. Okay, now coming to next one. Students, very, very important part starts now, right? One by one, we will be discussing all the figures. Okay. And with that, one solution. First thing is that area and perimeter of the square, right? So first of all, you should know that, ma'am, what is the square, right? So square is like this, right? It means that all the sides will be equal. Like if it is 4 centimeter, this will be 4, this will be 4, and this will be 4. Okay. So that is a square, right? So if you have to find the area of the square, it will be side multiplied by side, right? And if you have to find the perimeter, it will be 4 multiplied by side. Clear? Getting the point? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
ma'am.
Okay. So what we did basically, so I'll tell you how to do this, right? So area, whenever you have to find the area, the formula would be, I don't know what's wrong with my writing pad. Sometimes it... Listen to me very carefully over here, right? Side into side is your what? Area or perimeter?
Area.
Area. And 4 multiplied by side is your perimeter, right? 4 multiplied by side is your perimeter. Okay. Now, for example, I gave you one question that this is a square. It has, the sides are 2, 2, 2, 2, which is centimeter. Okay. You have to find the area. So, how you are going to write the answer? Area of square equals to side multiplied by side. You will write the entire, I'm not writing it, right? So, what is the side? 2 centimeter. So, 2 multiplied by 2 will give you 4 centimeters. So, this will be your area. Clear? Yes, or no?
ma'am.
Clear, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If this is the question, right? 3, 3, 3, 3. What you have to find? You have to find the perimeter. So, you will write perimeter of square. It is 4 multiplied by side. So, 4 multiply. What is the side? 3. So, what is the perimeter? Centimeter. Right? Now, just you can see this is also 4 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter. How will you get to know this is a perimeter and this is a square area? In area, you always mention square, centimeter square. Clear? So, whenever you are solving it, you mention centimeter square, meter square, whatever it is, kilometer square, whatever it is, right? But in perimeter, you don't. For example, I gave you this. I just by looking at the question, just tell me which one is area and which one is perimeter. So you will say, ma'am, this one is area. The reason is it is centimeter square and this one will be your perimeter. Clear? So whenever you find area, if you don't write centimeter square or meter square, then that won't be considered your answer. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, why we are doing it? Because for example, side multiply by side, right? So 2 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter. So now 4 centimeter square. Clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Everyone? Abdullah, Chakrika, Vega, Sindhus, everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So first what you are going to do is, you are going to mention the heading, like make a box and write area and perimeter of square. Then this. What is square? Square is a quadrilateral with 4 equal sides. This is the definition of square. Then area, this, perimeter, this. Then you will write this example, right? What you have to find? You have to find area as well as the perimeter. Clear? Everybody got it? First you will write the notes, then you will solve this example, write this example in your notebook and then solve it and tell me the answers. After 5 minutes, I'll ask the answer from everyone. Okay? Clear?
Yes,
Everyone
ma'am.
fine? Okay.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. We'll just wait for others. Chakrika, have you noted it down as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll just wait for others.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Abdullah, you are also done? What you are doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me the answers. Who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Sindhu, tell me.
Ma'am, is it 25 centimeters square of the area? Perimeter is 20 centimeters square.
Centimeter? Only centimeter for perimeter, no square. Okay.
Where? Oh yeah, sorry, sir. Sorry, ma'am.
Square.
Yes,
Any?
ma'am. Same answer.
Everybody got the same answer, area and perimeter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Area will be 25 centimeters square and perimeter will be 20 centimeters. Good. Now coming to the next one, we are going to do this. Area and perimeter of rectangle. First is, ma'am, what is a rectangle? So rectangle is this. You will draw the diagram, right? The length and length will be same and the breadth and breadth would be same. Okay. So rectangle is a quadrilateral with equal opposite sides. Opposite sides are always equal. If this is 4 centimeter, this will be 4 centimeter. If this is 2 centimeter, it would be 2 centimeter. Okay. Now area is this and perimeter is this. You will quickly note it down. Then I will give you a question. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Draw this diagram as well. Okay. No need to write the numbers, just for your reference. LLBB.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am? Ma'am,
Yes.
can I drink water and come?
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done too.
Okay. Okay, I hope everyone is done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, can you see this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What you have to find from here is area is already given to you, right? And width is also a breadth. Remember one thing, students, not every time they'll mention you that it's a breadth. Okay. Okay, Jakrika, I'll do it. Just remind me after the class. Okay. Just text me after the class. Okay. So over here, one thing first is, for example, over here, this is a rectangle, right? Area is already given to you. In case if they have not given you the breadth, they'll write the word width. Clear? Breadth and width are both the same thing. Clear? So over here in this question, area is given to you, right? And this breadth is also given to you. Can you find length? Can you people do this?
That 20 feet. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Um,
I want you people to try it, right? What you will take, let's just take length equals to x. Put the formula of, see, you have to do nothing. You already have solved simple equations, right? So length, you are taking x. Okay. So you will write it area of rectangle equals to what? Tell me. Area of rectangle is
L into B.
L into B.
And in feet.
L is x. This is 20. Area is given 500. Can you find the value of x now?
Yes.
Okay. Try it and tell me the answer. Yes, Abdullah. Abdullah.
25.
Okay, we'll just see what it is. First do it, okay? Then we will discuss the answer. Don't worry, I'll tell you. I know it's something new. They are not directly asking you find the area, but I'll teach you, don't worry. Because they are not going to always...
Done.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. We'll just wait. Everybody is there? Or anyone who is doing it?
Ma'am, I'm doing it.
Okay, do it.
Ma'am, I'm done too.
Okay, so...
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. So over here...
Should we like divide?
Yes, 500 divided by 20. So the
Okay.
answer would
25.
be 25.
20.
Everybody got 25?
Yes, ma'am.
25 square
Yes.
centimeter square.
Good. Now, one thing, perimeter of this one is very, very important, students. Just note it up, right? This. Perimeter of a regular polygon is, any regular polygon will be given you number of side multiplied by length of one side. Clear? Just write it. When we will solve the question, at that time it will be helpful. No need to write it right now. I'll give you time. Okay? But just remember it, regular polygon. Now, triangle as part of rectangle. See, this is a rectangle. If you will divide this rectangle, automatically first triangle and second triangle, two triangles comes out. Yes? Yes? And what is this red line called? This red line is called diagonal. Clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So, triangles is a part of
Yes, ma'am.
rectangle. So, this was a triangle. I divided it. I drew a diagonal. And it's not always compulsory that you will draw it. You can draw it like this as well. Okay? So, it will divide the rectangle into two triangles. Clear? And when you have to find the area of each triangle, it will be, the formula would be half area of rectangle. Clear? So for example, this is a rectangle. 2, 2, 4, 4. Right? And I did this. I asked you to find the area of triangle. Right? So this is a rectangle given to you. I'm asking you to find the area of triangle. So it would be half area of rectangle, right? So first what you are going to do, you are going to first find the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. So 2
Ma'am, it's
multiplied by
4,
4,
right?
which? Yes.
It's
So
4,
it would
right?
be, yes. So I'm just telling you, first you will find the area of rectangle, which will be 8 centimeters square. So half, and what is the area of rectangle? Multiply by 8. So 2, this got cancelled. The area of triangle is 4 centimeters square. Clear? Everybody got it how to do this?
No, ma'am. Can you explain it again?
Oh, see. Let's just take it. For example, this is a rectangle I have given to you. Okay. And this is like 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. Okay. And this is a diagonal. Right? So over here, the question says to find the area of triangle. Clear? He is asking the question. See, rectangle is given to you, but they are asking you to find the area of triangle. So this is first triangle and this is second triangle. So which formula you will apply? Half area of rectangle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So first what you need to do is you need to find the area of rectangle, which is length into breadth. So length is your 3 centimeter, breadth is your 2. So you got 6 centimeters square. Right? So you will write half multiply by what is the area of rectangle? 6 centimeter square. 1
Okay,
multiplied by 6 will give you 6 divided by 2. So your answer would be 3 centimeter square would be the area of triangle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you people will start writing it from here. Okay. Just mention this note as well. Okay. I'm just highlighting it. And when you will draw the diagram over there, you will line this and you will say this is a diagram. Okay. And then I'm just giving you one question. You have to find the area of triangle. Okay. So
Ma'am, for the question you gave.
this is the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, student, I'm just coming in 2 minutes. Okay, I won't be here for 2 minutes. I just need to bring a charger from my next room. Right? So you people note it from here and I'm coming in 2 minutes. Okay.
Ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am is back.
I don't know. By the way, is it like 6 or another number?
Chakrika, what?
Chakrika, what do you say?
Opposite to 5.
It's
Is
5.
it
6.
6?
No, it's 5.
Which one?
But seem like 6. I mean, it
No,
seems
it's
like
5.
6.
Like,
Okay.
what is happening? What was Chakrika asking? I didn't get that.
What is the number opposite of 5?
6, right?
It is 5.
The opposite of 5 is 5.
In the question.
Yeah, the question was the opposite of 5, right? So it's 5 only. Or 6. Chikrika, I
I don't
wanted to ask, like, why were you not present yesterday?
It's
Yeah, I'm
Chakrika.
back.
I mean Vega, sorry, not Chakrika. And what was your name pronouns like?
Which chat show is going on?
Nothing much.
Chakrika. Chakrika.
Okay, good. I know the feeling. Many of them called me Sandus, Sindus, anything, but not Sandus.
Okay, so should we discuss the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
6 centimeters square. Oh, it was 5?
Yeah, this is.
See,
I got
I
the
told.
6. Okay. So
So
Vega
many
was
people
telling
got
that.
5 centimeter square.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So over here, see. Now I told you, for example, this is a rectangle. If I'll divide it, it will be in 2 parts. But I can divide it like this as well. Now how many triangles are there? 4?
3, 4.
Huh?
4.
4. So at that time, what will be the formula? Area of triangle would be 1 upon 4 multiplied by area of rectangle. Yes? Okay, so what you will do, you will make it like this and you will write area of triangle equals to half area of rectangle. Clear? So if,
Ma'am, like, I didn't get
Ma'am.
it. Like, is
yes,
this like the, like, it was having 2, right? So how much, like, we add? Like, we add, like,
no,
8
no,
on it.
see,
So we have to write 1 by 8
no.
into
For
area of
example, this.
triangle.
Yes. It's like, see, when I was drawing it like this, I was dividing the rectangle into 2 parts. That's why I wrote half multiplied by area of rectangle. But now, at the same rectangle, I am dividing into 4 parts. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I will write 1 upon 4 multiplied by area of rectangle. Clear? Yes or
Yeah,
no?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Everyone will draw this and then you will write area of triangle half into area of rectangle. Well, 1 upon 4 into area of rectangle.
Ma'am, so like, suppose it's 1 by 8. That is also area of triangle. So it's like 1 by 12. That is also a triangle
But you
area of
cannot
like.
further divide it. Not possible.
We can divide it a little bit. 8, no, ma'am.
No, you cannot divide it. How will you divide it? Tell me. You are saying it like this?
Yeah.
No, this is not a
That could be 1 by 6.
No, this is not a diagonal.
Oh,
Okay?
yes, ma'am. It's not actually a
Talking about
diagonal.
only
Yeah.
diagonals. Diagonals only come from the end, right? That means from this end to this end, this end to this end. Okay? Corners. Okay,
Okay,
everybody done
ma'am. So
writing this?
last one is 1/4.
Yes. Okay, everybody is done?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
not adding with the question.
Sorry?
What's the question? I didn't get
No,
it.
no, no. I
Okay,
just asked you to note it down. This one. That's this new formula.
ma'am, just a second.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. Now, this one. What will be the area of each triangle if we draw two diagonals of a square with side? Clear? So over here, this, okay. So in a square, it will come like this. I've already mentioned, right? So I think you people can do it, right? Okay, so
Okay,
sorry,
ma'am.
students, wait. See, if it is for square, then what you will do, the same formula will be there and you will write area of square. Clear? I hope I don't need to teach you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you know the formula, right? How many diagonals are there? Two diagonals. So
Two.
that means
Two.
how many parts will be there? Four
Four.
parts.
4.
Okay, so quickly do it. Write the question first and then solve it.
Ma'am, we have to draw the actual question. Like, we have to write the question.
Yes, this question. Because when you will solve it, from where you will see the question, right?
Okay.
When you will revise it.
Ma'am, the answer is not coming. Like, it is the same form. Like, it cannot be divided. So, what should we say?
Just leave it then if it is not divisible. Okay, we'll discuss.
Okay.
Ma'am, is it okay if we write the answer in decimal form?
Not a problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I'm
you
done.
can write the answer in decimal form, right?
Yes, you can.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am, then done.
Okay, Abdullah, you are also done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's just discuss the answer. Okay. So
Ma'am,
first
is it
thing is
12?
that, okay, I'll do it. Okay. 1 upon 4 multiplied by area of square. So what is area of square? 7 multiplied by 7, which
Yes,
is
ma'am.
49.
49.
So
Yes,
multiply
ma'am.
by 49. Right? So 49 by 4 cannot divide it. So you are getting 12.25 centimeters.
12.25 centimeters
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
yes, ma'am.
squared.
Good. Now coming to the next one, which is the congruent parts of rectangle. So ma'am, what is this word congruent? Right? So congruent word basically means they are same. Congruent means similar, same. Clear? Right? For example, if I'm drawing this and if I'm drawing this, they both are looking same. That's why they are, instead of saying they are looking same, I'll say they are congruent. Clear? I hope you got the meaning of congruent.
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So see, in this rectangle, two parts of a rectangle are congruent to each other if the area of first part is equal to the area of second part, right? So for example, I said this and this, they both are congruent. How will I prove? The area, for example, its area is 20 and its area is also 20. So that's why I will say that they both are
Ma'am,
congruent. Yes?
congruent means like equal, right?
Yes, equal, same, similar like this.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So it will
And
be
that
only
line is
congruent
diagonal
if the
only.
areas are equal. Clear? So what they say is two
Yes,
parts of a
ma'am.
rectangle are congruent to each other if the area of first part is equal to the area of second part. Okay, this is a question, right? This is a rectangle. They have just divided it and these are now two parts, first part and the second part. Okay, so over here, what will be the formula? If in case if I ask you to find the area of congruent part, the formula will be half area of rectangle. Yes or no? Because how many, see, only one line is there, right? It is dividing into two parts. So what will be the formula? Half multiplied by area of rectangle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes?
do we have to solve this?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I just explain it?
See, you can see this question, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
over here, how many lines? Two parts. In two parts, this rectangle is divided. Okay. So which formula you will use? Half multiplied by area of rectangle. Yes?
Okay,
Now the
ma'am.
question over here is, ma'am, what will be my length and what will be my breadth? Right? Anyone who can tell me what will be the length and what will be the breadth?
Length is 4 and breadth is 3.
Okay. Length is 4 and breadth is 3. Yes?
Ma'am, where is 4?
Yes, ma'am.
4 is not written, right?
Yes. 4 is not written, but see, this is 3 and this is 1. So you will add them, you will get 4.
Okay, we have to
Breadth
add
is
here.
1. Yes. Okay. So quickly find it and tell me. The first, don't find it. First write this congruent part of rectangle, write it, draw this diagram and then write area of this and then find the area. Clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Quickly do it.
Ma'am, so we also have to write the meaning, right?
Yes. You have to start writing from here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I don't get it. Like, you said we have to find the area, right? And then you said we have to add 3 plus 1.
Yeah, to
Like,
find
I
the
don't get it.
find the length.
To
What is the
find the length, we have to do 3 plus 1.
yes? This is the entire length, no? This side is the
Okay,
length.
and then,
Breadth is
okay,
already
ma'am.
given 3 centimeters.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, to write in statements, can we write area of congruent part?
Yes. Area of
Okay,
each congruent part.
okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, I think everyone is done.
Sindhus, you are done?
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Ma'am,
Abdullah?
yes.
Okay. So over here, what was the area of each congruent part? Half into area of rectangle. So what was area of rectangle? 3 into 4?
Yes, ma'am.
10
Ma'am,
centimeters square.
12 to
So
6 centimeters
6
square.
centimeters square will be the area of each congruent. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Now coming to one thing, parallelogram. Okay. So we will not start this topic. We will only write about parallelogram. And in this, you instead of writing this entire spelling of parallelogram, you can write it like this: parallelogram. Clear? So it is a simple quadrilateral with two pair of parallel sides. So for example, this, right? Two pair will be the parallel sides. Clear? And you write it like this: make two lines parallel and GM, parallelogram. So what is the area
Okay,
of
ma'am.
parallelogram? It is base into height. Clear? So you will quickly note it
Yes,
down
ma'am.
till here.
Ma'am, base is like also the inside, right?
Yes, base is this one and height would be anywhere. For example, this is your parallelogram. This 3
So
centimeter,
base
this will be your 3
same
centimeter
as
and
perimeter,
this will be
ma'am.
your height.
So base is same as perimeter, ma'am.
No, base is basically the this side.